Hey folks, John with Baker Boy here today. Want to talk about Baker Boy dinner roll dough. We have 4 different versions I'm going to show. I had pulled these out and put them in the walk-in cooler last night, up to 12 hours covered. Today they're thawed and ready to go. We're going to go ahead and bake off the small roll dough. Okay, we're ready to start our catering rolls. I like to use a muffin tin just to kind of hold the rolls in there, make sure that they look different. They make an upscale dinner roll. We've got the small roll dough here. A lot of people ask me about seasonings. You know, if we're going to do a seasoning, I do a 1 cup of dried parm. We have a 1/2 cup of bread crumbs, a 1/2 cup of yellow cornmeal, and then I've got a 1/4 cup of my seasonings, whatever I want to season the rolls with. Once we get our mixture made up, you'll have a nice little blend like that. I also have separate seeds. Here we have the sesame, the poppy, a little more yellow cornmeal, and then here is my egg wash. This is what we're going to dip the rolls in, and as we fix them, I will show you how to cut them, and then we're going to put them into this muffin pan. So we're going to go ahead and spray the rolls pan here, get it ready for the rolls. And as we go, I do a circular motion like this to make sure that we get all of the rolls covered in there so they don't stick on us. Take the small roll dough. I'm going to go ahead and just pull this off, dip it in the egg wash. Okay, we're going to roll it into our seasoning like that. And then after I get the roll all ready to go, you want to have this nice and even and caked all the way around. You're going to take your scissor and you're going to cut 6 little slits around the roll dough like that. Okay, so then put that in your muffin tin. And we'll do a row of each flavor just so that everybody can kind of have a variety of rolls. Okay, I've got the Baker Boy small roll dough all prepped, seeded. We got the everything seasoning. I've got the sesame seed, the poppy seed, and the yellow cornmeal. And again, for those who have proof boxes, I set the proof box 90 to 100 degrees at about 75–80% humidity. I will pop that into the proof box, let these go a ½ hour, and then I'll pull them out and pop them in the oven. I'm going to go ahead and set them in at 325 to 350, depending on the oven, and they'll go about 15 to 18 minutes. Okay, I just pulled these out of the oven. I just want to remind you that I had these in the proof box for about a ½ hour. One thing I've noticed when you're baking in the muffin tins and those kind of things, your rolls will proof out way quicker because you got the extra metal around the pan, and that helps the roll proof faster. So keep an eye on that. Make sure you proof them at 70 to 80% humidity, 90 to 100 temperature, and I had these at 325 in the oven for 18 minutes. And again, if you have any questions on any of the artisan style dinner rolls at Baker Boy, go ahead and contact us on our bakerboy.com website.